Alright, let me just prepare. What should I say? Okay, I got it. Hello! What is good? Okay, that's not good enough. Hello! Welcome! And this video is going to be about building, decorating, right? I'm going to decorate this part, and we'll see how it goes. So, what style, like, I want to go for is, like, what's the level called? A Mother Nature type of style. Mother Nature by Onyak. And, burp. Yeah, that's a type of style I want to go for. So, I already have the colors prepared, so I'm going to get a spike here, right? We're gonna take these shades of blue here. I'm gonna make this darker here. I'm going to copy the values, I guess, and check this in. And I'm going to make both these at 50% brightness so that there's this little thing here, right? Let's see what we can do with this spike here. Okay, to start off with, I'll get these here. And then the T2 down. Okay. Now guys, hear me out, okay? Hear me out, alright? Listen. Let me cook, okay? Let me cook. So this is gonna be the type of baseline we're gonna have. Make this type of thing here, right? And set it also to T2. Add it to... How would this look? Of this. Wait, I want to see if I can just like set it to something. Yes, and I can have it inside here. I can make it pink as well. Then I can add a piece of glow. I can scale it down. Yeah. Wait, actually, what if I like hue shift it a bit? Desaturate as well. That could work. I think I'm going for. Okay. Then what if I add something like this under it? And like make it like that, but like a less brightness. That could work. That could work. Now I need detail. Okay. What I did, like I made a spike like this before. And I'm looking for the object I used on the sides of the, okay, this object. Hear me out, okay? Listen. Listen. I've played these games before, right? And I can paste the values there, right? And can spit it around. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna increase the brightness just a tad. Animated objects, I mean, this is animated objects. I am an idiot. Okay, I'm gonna take this, right? Put to this frame, single frame, 3. Is that a 2-2, right? No, hear me out. I can do that. Set it to... I can probably scale it up a little bit and be good. Then spin you around. And then, right, I can add, where are the glow? I scroll past them. And then, right, where's the spinner thing? There's the spinner thing. I can spin you around, say U to T2. Decrease that to 50. And boom. Hold on, what I'll do is, I'll take these things here. I'll set it to this right here. I'll layer it back one. And there is a spike using how many objects? 26 objects. I have an idea. Right? No. I can hear buzzing in my ear. Because silence. There's literally no sound. I'm sitting alone in my room. Just friggin' creating stuff. And I feel like that should be good. To the 40. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. 28 object spike. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna link it now. And I'm going to move it up here because I'm going to copy paste this everywhere. That is a good spike. I like that spike very, very much. Very, very, very much. Yes. Hey there, thanks for watching this video of me making this spike here. I enjoyed making it, I enjoyed editing it. I am recording this after editing the entire rest of the video to add an ending, so thanks for watching this far. Honestly, it really means a lot to me that you'd be willing, or that you were entertained enough to watch all the way through, so thanks, you know, and I hope you can make a spike like this based off of my video. I'd just be very happy to help someone learn how to decorate themselves, so later.